Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and a quick unboxing. This watch was alone. Goran at Back in Time Watches. He made a review about it. He sent it to me and I'm sending it back to DeSanders afterwards. So it's not mine. It's their Voyage GMT model. And let's see what's inside. On wrist I have the Astrabis Meta, my latest unboxing. Review coming up soon. Back to this watch. We have a standard cardboard outer box, some nice relief on the front there. Inside, oh, there's no inner box, it's just this one. Let's open it up. And here we have it. Back to the watch soon. We have everything else inside. I guess it's a review sample, so there seems to be no warranty cards or anything. So let's see this watch then. DeSanders GMT. Do we have a screw down crown? Yep, we do. Winds smoothly. NH34 powered watch. Really nice. Seconds hand ticking away. Let's get those out of the way. I do believe it's sapphire crystal. It's a 40mm by 47 case. To have a deployment class. Sorry about that jump cut. I just know that Goran has huge wrists, so I thought I'd quickly resize the strap. And I took a closer look at the watch. And look at that thing. It's a beauty, isn't it? I guess the small, that one is the GMT hand, NH34 movement. The minutes hand, look at it, it's gonna circle. Let's unscrew the crown again. The minutes hand moving around nicely, and the hour hand framing the hour marker. That's cool. The globe set underneath the outer dial. Yeah, this is gonna be fun to photograph this watch. Looking forward to making the review. Just a quick wrist check. After Christmas, I guess I have about a 17 centimeter wrist. Taking the Astrabis off. Taking the DeSanders on. I know that Goran fell in love with this watch. Let's see if I do as well. I usually wear sub 40mm watches, but this looks good also on my wrist. Can't wait to wear it a bit, get to know it a little bit better and do a review. DeSanders Voyage GMT. That's it guys, until next time, take care, stay safe and bye bye.